Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you another DIY wire bra, and this time I am using pearls. So if you want to see how I achieve this, stay tuned. So what you're going to need is a wire bra, some pearls, glue and glue stick, some tensor, tape, and also some spandex polyester fabric. And yeah, that's about it. So basically right now, I'm so sorry that the picture quality is just crap, but that was tensor tape that I was using, and I was just wrapping it around the wire bra. I did cut it into two pieces, and I'm just wrapping it around. I believe I wrapped it around twice around the wire bra, and this is what it looks like after the first part. And also I'm going to be wrapping the hoops, and I just do that once because they are so small. So this is what it looks like after I've wrapped it twice. And so now I am going to be wrapping the spandex fabric around the wire bra, and I believe I only just do this one time. And what you have to do is I just put a little bit of glue on, and then I wrap it around taut, and then I put sparingly some glue, if you get what I'm trying to say. So now I'm just getting another piece of fabric, and I'm measuring it 9 inches by 9 inches, and that is to wrap around the actual cup portion of the wire bra. And this is what the square looks like, obviously. And so what I'm just doing is measuring out and making a guide to see how it's going to lay when I do glue it down. So I start on the front side of the actual wire bra, and I'm putting just a little portion of the glue at a time, and that is so the glue doesn't dry out when I'm putting down the fabric. So now that the front portion of the fabric is glued down, I'm just going to be pulling the excess fabric on and pulling it to do the back side now, and then pulling it again to do the front. So just watch the video and you'll understand what I'm talking about. So now that I have wrapped the wire bra twice over, I'm using the remainder part, or the excess fabric, and that's going to be in the inner portion of the wire bra, and it won't be seen because I'm going to be putting extra fabric on top of it. So this is what the bra looks like after I have wrapped it, and as you can see on the inside it does look a little bit janky, but that will be covered soon. So now I'm just getting my pearls and I'm putting it into a little cup. I use the tensor band package that it came in, and that's just because it's a lot of beads and I just don't want it to get all messy. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue at a time and just applying the one pearl. And it's a very tedious, it's gonna take a long time, but that is what the first one looks like, and I've got many more to go. So this is me just putting down a few of the pearls, and it's gonna take a long process, so I'm just speeding up the video for you guys just so you can see. And after this is all done, you're gonna need to measure out 2 inches or 3 inches by 60 inches. That's what I did for my band, and that's only because if you have bigger girls, you want something with a thicker strap so it's not hurting your neck or your back. And I used a safety pin to push it through the actual hole, and on the inside of the actual wire bra I did put some felt just for some extra padding, and this is what the final product looks like. I love it. It is such a showstopper, great for carnival time, great for festivals, any kind of party that you guys want to go to that you just feel like you want to be a little bit different. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy DIYing. Bye.